Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to send location on WhatsApp, and all you have to do is to launch our WhatsApp application, and then we are going to choose a satellite we would like to send our location. Let's say to send it to myself. We're going to tap on this icon, and then we are going to tap on location. From there, we are going to either choose on sending a current location to an alternate number of numbers which are 20, or we can even decide to share our location on a live. You can choose the 15 or the 8 hours. So I'm going to choose the 15. Going to choose add comments. On there, people can see our comments live. Once they tap on it, they will be directed here. So if you want to stop sharing our location, you can just tap on stop sharing, and I'm going to tap on stop. And that's how you will be able to stop sharing your location. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.